Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you are fine. Now today we will start at point three, question number six. So here question number six should be after 2 minutes she started to run. She stopped at the bus stop. So part A should be how far had Eva walked when she start to run. When she start to run means after 2 minutes she start to run. Means from here after 2 minutes she's starting to run. So she stopped at the bus stop. How far had Eva walked when she started to run? Okay, from here to here, 2 minutes. Okay, so in 200 kilometers, he said how far. So in 200 kilometer, she's walking. Okay, and after that, she started running. So you are writing here 200 kilometer. How long did it take Eva to get to the bus stop? So he just she take only 3 minutes. What do you think happened next? What is happening? She just wait 3 minutes from this time to six, and then he went back to home. So let's check its answer. Yes, 200 meter, 300 minutes. She walked 3 minutes then she went home. Now, question number seven, as it is same, but it's they give us the half graph, but they just said with the help of this graph, you just complete this graph, okay, with the remaining information. Aziz walked from the home to shop. The journey is shown in the graph. The walk take 20 minutes, okay. From here to here, just 20 minutes, and he just covered 1.5 kilometer. Find the distance to the shop, 1.5 kilometer. Copy the graph, okay, as it is same, your copy. Aziz in the shop for 20 minutes. He just stay here 20 minutes. From 20 to 40, you just put here a straight line because he's just stay here in this shop. Show on the graph. And D part, Aziz take 30 minutes to walk home. Show on the graph. Means after 40, from 40 to 70, you just draw a line. That 30 minutes he's just continuously walking to go back to his home. So let's check its answer. Now you see these answers. Okay. Now next thing should be like question number 8. Misha left home in his car at 10:30. It took 2 hours to drive 50 kilometers and then he stopped 1 hour. He drove back home. The journey home took 1.5 hours. So first you are drive one line, okay, for 2 hours, okay, and you here this, yes, you will see from here to here it's shown 2 hours. He just continuously driving till 50 kilometers. Then he just stopped for 1 hour, okay, and then 1.5 hour he just reached to his home. So what I do here, what time did Misha get home? She started or he started at he started at 10:30. So what time does it take? We are counting 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 13:30, 14:30, and 15. So your time should be 15 or 3 o'clock. Okay. Now question number 9. Jonah went on the cycle ride. She started 9:15. She rode for 2 hours, traveled 30 kilometers. These 2 hour continuously, he just covered 30 kilometers. When she stopped for 1 hour, then she cycled another 2.5 hours and traveled another 40 kilometers. Now let's check here. First, she continues to drive 2 hours and reach 30 kilometers. After that, she just stopped 1 hour and then again she start 2.5 hours. She just continues to ride a cycle and she cover how many distance from here to here? 5, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So 40 kilometer, he or she just cover the 40 kilometer distance. So you will see that this question. Now the B part should be work out when she finished. She started at 9:15 and 10:15, 11:15, 13:15, 12:15, 13:15, 14:15, 14:15, and this will show half. 14:45. So 14:45 we go to 2 and 45 p.m. So thank you so much, class. Have a nice day. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand anything, feel free to ask me this question. Any questions?